purchase not just a simple icing, the royal one. But wait no more, because I'm gonna show you how to make royal ice cream. Wait, did I just say ice cream? No, I mean icing. Let's go! So in making a royal ice cream, icing, you need 2 egg whites, confectioner sugar, vanilla, and a teaspoon of salt. Kailangan natin maging gawing foamy to. So, imi-mixer natin to hanggang maabot natin yung foamy texture. Let's go! So ganito dapat yung texture niya bago natin ilagay yung confectioner sugar or icing sugar o kaya granulated sugar. Yun. Maraming tawag pero isa lang naman yung ibig sabihin. So yun. So pwede na natin ilagay itong granulated sugar. Pero remember, gradually lang yung paglalagay nyo. Hanggang sa maabot lang natin yung lagkit na gusto natin. Lagkit, texture pala. So yun nga, after gradually applying 3.5 cup of granulated sugar, ayan, medyo nag-thicken na siya. Pwede na natin ilagay yung half tablespoon na vanilla. Ayan. Tsaka yung salt, 1 tablespoon. So ito na yung royal icing natin. Pwede natin siyang hatiin for color coding. Tapos ito rin yung gamit ko para sa food coloring natin. Ayan, McCormick. Nandito na rin yung mixing process. Tapos send siya for colors.
It's my own desire. It's my own remorse. Help me to decide. Help me make the most of freedom and of pleasure. Nothing ever lasts. You faded. Everybody wants to rule the world.